So, yeah, we are doing some hands-on experiments with the GoFa, ABB GoFa, and we are just messing around in the shop. You know, doing some moves and making it's okay, it's safe. Relatively slow, and if it hits something, you know, it really didn't take much force there, and I get a little message saying motion supervision. So, safe move force limit's been exceeded. So that's the safety part, right? That's what makes this collaborative partially. If I can reset this. You can just do a regular jog like you're used to doing. I'm just doing like a joint jog here. But right now it's in automatic mode, so which is why I can do this without having to press any, you know, any three-way switches or anything. So you just unlock it here. So using this button, so that activates the lead through. When I'm done, press it again. It says could not deactivate lead through because one or more joints are moving. Oh, it's because I pressed the button before I stopped it. I've got a location here, and then let's say I move it elsewhere. All right, and I move it up here. Same thing at another target. Now apply this. That's super quickly. And these are just joint moves back and forth. So I could add tool, you know, you could do linear moves as well in this little wizard here. Turn it back on, and then I press this button here, and that stores what's called a ROB target. You know, it's a translation, a rotation, and a configuration object in rapid code. But rapid code is text-based. This looks like something that kids play with like Lego vehicles. You know, that's what makes it so approachable here. Like I can apply this, it's already on, and then now I have a program with 3 spots. And there's a whole host of different built-in functions. You can actually like pinch zoom, and there's like a, you know, like a solid, nicely rendered model of this thing. So I can actually zoom right up in on that frame. Predicted collision. Yeah, it doesn't. I have collision avoidance enabled on this, and what I did was there's usually a gripper there that's like, you know, probably like that. Put it on later, and I modeled the gripper and this base in CAD, and you can actually load that on the controller. It knows when it's about to run into something. So normally if the gripper was there, we'd be pretty close to running into something. And we're about to collide into the base here. Yeah. So normally there's like a gripper here. I'll run into this stuff. That's pretty much how you would get started with one of these things. I'm just gonna bring the GoFa in by myself, and if I scream for help, maybe Dan can run.